Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. As a dedicated tech enthusiast, I've had the pleasure of extensively exploring the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and I am thrilled to share my insights into this remarkable wearable that effortlessly marries style and functionality. Product information. Package dimensions 11.42 by 2.4 by 1.18 inches. Item weight 7.2 ounces. Manufacturer Samsung. Country of origin Vietnam. Standing screen display size 43 mm. Design and build quality. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic boasts a design that's reminiscent of traditional timepieces while seamlessly integrating modern features. The stainless steel circular case exudes a sense of timelessness and durability. The rotating bezel serves not only as a nod to classic watch design, but also as a genuinely intuitive way to navigate the watch's interface. The combination of craftsmanship and aesthetics showcases Samsung's commitment to creating a product that appeals to both tech-savvy users and fashion-conscious individuals. Display and performance. The watch's AMOLED display is a showstopper. Its vibrant colors, deep blacks, and impressive brightness levels ensure an exceptional viewing experience even in direct sunlight. The touchscreen responsiveness is impeccable, offering smooth swipes and taps. Powered by a robust processor, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic handles tasks effortlessly, whether it's running multiple apps, tracking health data, or providing timely notifications. Health and fitness tracking. Samsung's dedication to health and fitness tracking is evident in the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic's feature set. From heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen level measurements to ECG functionality, this watch puts a comprehensive suite of health tools at your fingertips. The sleep tracking feature is a standout, providing valuable insights into sleep patterns and suggesting improvements for overall well-being. Integration and connectivity. One of the watch's strongest suits is its seamless integration with the Samsung ecosystem. Pairing with your smartphone is a breeze, allowing you to manage calls, messages, and notifications directly from your wrist. The watch also plays well with other smart devices, offering convenient control over smart home systems. This level of connectivity truly elevates the watch's utility, making it an indispensable tool for managing both your digital and physical life. Battery life. Considering its robust feature set, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic's battery life is commendable. With moderate usage, the watch easily lasts a full day and then some, reducing concerns about frequent charging. The wireless charging capability further adds to the convenience. Customization and apps. Samsung's Galaxy Store offers a plethora of watch faces, allowing you to tailor the watch's appearance to your preferences. Additionally, the availability of apps lets you enhance the watch's functionality, making it a versatile tool for various tasks. Value proposition. While the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is positioned at a higher price point, its combination of premium design, advanced health tracking, seamless integration, and overall performance justifies the investment. For those seeking a top-tier smartwatch that seamlessly bridges the gap between style and functionality, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic undoubtedly delivers. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and excellence. Its exquisite design, feature-rich capabilities, and seamless integration make it a standout in the smartwatch market. Whether you're a health-conscious individual, a tech enthusiast, or a fashion-forward trendsetter, this watch has something remarkable to offer. If you purchase this product, please check the description. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel SK Tech 24.